Most fruit trees don't slow down because they're old. They slow down because they're getting the wrong signals. If you want your apple, peach, or mango tree to pump out more fruit, I've got 7 science-backed tips that'll make a real difference. Let's start with the nitrogen problem. If your tree's all leaves and no flowers, it's probably getting too much nitrogen. Stop using those high nitrogen fertilizers. Instead, go for a compost that's mostly carbon. Think leaves, wood chips, or even shredded paper. A low nitrogen, high phosphorus, and potassium boost will nudge your tree out of grow leaves mode and into make fruit mode. Tip 2. Prune at the right time. Most fruit trees need a good winter trim to set their shape, and a summer snip to keep growth in check. Cut out any crossing branches, those vertical water shoots, and anything blocking sunlight. Remember, more light reaching those branches means more fruit buds. Third tip. Bend those branches. This is a backyard orchard secret. Branches that shoot straight up tell the tree, grow taller. But if you gently bend young branches to about 45 or 60 degrees and tie them down, the tree gets the message. It's time to fruit. Usually, you'll see flower buds popping up by the next season. Number 4. Thin the flowers and baby fruit. Fruit trees are overachievers. They make way more flowers than they can actually support, then drop the extras. If you help out by removing the weaker clusters, the tree can channel more energy into the remaining fruit. The result? Bigger, juicier harvests. Number 5. Feed the right micronutrients. This is where most gardeners miss out. Trees need boron and zinc to form healthy flowers and set good fruit. Without them, flowers drop, and the fruit that does form stays small. Use a trace mineral mix or a foliar spray with boron, zinc, manganese, and magnesium. Just be careful not to overdo the boron. Always apply early in the season. 6th tip, mulch for root zone stability. Trees drop fruit when they're stressed. The biggest stress? Wild moisture swings. Spread a thick layer about 3 to 4 inches of wood chip mulch around the drip line. This keeps soil moisture steady, which means more reliable fruiting. And finally, boost your pollination game. Perfect pruning and nutrients mean nothing without pollinators. Plant flowers like basil, borage, alyssum, or coriander nearby to attract bees. For trees that can be hand-pollinated, like passion fruit, use a soft brush in the morning. More pollination means more fruit set. Quick recap. Don't overdo nitrogen, don't prune during flowering, don't dig up roots, and don't let weeds choke your trees. Fruit trees aren't complicated. Give them the right signals, balanced nutrients, smart pruning, steady moisture, and pollinator help, and they'll reward you every season. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe to Decoded, where I break down the science of growing into simple, practical tips.